Ever wondered how the rich quietly grow their wealth even when the markets are down? It's not crypto, it's gold. And yes, you can start with just few dirhams directly from your Emirates NBD bank app. Wait, you did not know you already have access to gold inside your bank account? Let's fix that. Here is the thing. Most people keep their savings in cash or maybe in a low interest account, but cash loses value every year due to inflation, right? Investing in stock and crypto might sound exciting, but let's face it, they are volatile. You could be up 20% one week or down 30% next. While gold, it's been ultimate wealth preserver for thousands of years. When the market crashes, currency falls, or inflation spikes, gold protects your money. But the problem is buying physical gold isn't easy. You have to visit stores, pay making charges, worry about purity, storage, and even theft. And let's be honest, who wants to hide gold coins under the mattress in 2025? Here's where most people get stuck and they want to invest in gold, but they don't know how to do it safely and smartly. That's exactly where Emirates NBD's Gold Investment Account comes in, a digital way to buy, hold, and sell gold instantly 24/7 with no need to physical storage and physical delivery. Even better, you can start small, literally as low as 15 dirhams worth of gold. Here is how to open it step by step. Step 1. Find the Gold Investment Account in ENBDx app. Open your Emirates NBD mobile app. From Lending screen, tap on Explore tab in the bottom right corner. And under Emirates NBD Products section, tap on Current Account. Or you can click on Accounts from home screen, then click on Open Account floating button at the bottom and then select Current Account from the list. Now step 2. Open a gold investment account. Scroll left till you see gold investment account. It might come on third swipe left. Tap on open now button and then I declare button on declaration page. After that, choose currency, which is XAU for gold account. Then slide right to confirm. Now you enter your SmartPass pin and done. In 1 or 2 minutes, you will receive a SMS and push notification once it's open successfully from the bank. Now, third step is how to fund your gold investment account for the first time. Come back and open ENBDx app again. Click on accounts on home screen. Swipe left to see open gold investment account. It will show you 0.00 XAU. Select between my accounts quick action. Select current or saving account in from field and gold investment account in to field. You can buy as low as 0.001 XAU, which is worth approximately 15 dirhams. You can see buy and sell rates. Bank sell rate is the rate you pay in AED to get gold in XAU from the bank. And bank buy rate is when you sell gold, bank will give you this much dirhams. You can schedule repeating payment in case you want to buy every month or weekly. Now slide right to confirm the transaction. That's it, done. Simple and easy, right? Similarly, you can sell when you want to get money in your savings or current account. And here's the interesting part. Emirates NBD gold buy sell rate difference is lowest when compared it with all other options like bottom and O Gold app. That's the topic for another video. So now you know you can start investing in gold directly from your Emirates NBD account safely, digitally and instantly. Don't wait for next crisis to realize the importance of gold in your portfolio. If you want to build a personalized diversified wealth plan, not just gold, but stocks, ETF, or savings for any goal, book a free discovery session with me using TopMate link in the description. Let's make your money work smarter. Follow Invest Money UAE for more practical wealth building tips because your financial freedom starts today.